We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I will unbox this EUFY Indoor Cam E220. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this, camera, security, IP, surveillance camera, call it however you want to. So here on top we already see the camera itself that is protected by this little film here, as well as it is slotted into its own plastic holder, should I call it. So let's open it. Here is the camera itself. Then you also get a bunch of other stuff, of course, so let me take it out real quick. Yeah, it's kinda stuck, but yeah, should be able to get it out. Yep, here it is. So inside this box you will find, obviously you will find some mounting equipment, the things that will allow you to mount this camera on the wall, such as screws and, dumbbells, what's not. Here you also get the charging brick for your camera, as well as the charging wire here. Paperwork also obviously comes with the camera. And as far as the accessories and the camera itself go, that will be about it. That's about everything that you'll get in the default bundle, in the default box kit of this EUFY Indoor 2K security camera. So, if you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. As for this particular video, that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.